For years, the mainstream tech world has treated spatial computing like a clunky science experiment. We accepted heavy visors that strained our necks after 20 minutes, screen door effects that made text look like a pixelated mosaic, and pass-through cameras so blurry you couldn't even read the notifications on your real-world smartphone. Companies promised us a metaverse revolution, but delivered dizzying refresh rates, sluggish tracking, and heavy headsets that sat gathering dust in closets. We settled for the compromise because we thought true, frictionless mixed reality was still a decade away. We were catastrophically wrong. Welcome to the ultimate breakdown of the most anticipated, heavily guarded, and radically redesigned hardware in spatial computing history, the Meta Quest 4. If you thought Meta was going to play it safe after the widespread adoption of their previous generation, prepare to have your entire perception of reality completely dismantled. Behind closed doors at labs, engineering teams have entirely scrapped the old rulebook. This isn't just a minor spec bump or a lighter strap. Meta has completely restructured its next-generation roadmap, pivoting away from cheap compromises to engineer a machine built for absolute market dominance. Let us be brutally honest about where the VR industry has been hitting a brick wall. You strap on a headset, and within an hour, the battery is dead, your cheekbones are aching from front-heavy weight distribution, and the visual fidelity reminds you that you are looking at tiny screens strapped inches from your eyeballs. Competitors tried to charge mortgage-level prices for high-end glass, locking the best technology behind absurdly expensive walls, while budget options left users craving clarity and power. Meta looked at that exact chasm in the market and decided to bridge it with sheer force of engineering. Let us talk about what happens the moment you lift the Meta Quest 4 to your face. The ergonomic transformation alone is enough to make current headset owners furious they bought too early. Meta has completely re-architected the form factor, distributing weight with surgical precision to eliminate face strain entirely. The chassis is slimmer, sleeker, and designed to sit flush against your profile like a pair of high-tech designer glasses rather than a medical device. And then you press the power button. The visual leap inside the Quest 4 completely shatters historical standards. Industry leaks and supply chain blueprints point directly to the integration of ultra-dense micro-OLED architecture, pushing jaw-dropping resolution per eye. We are talking about obsidian blacks, infinite contrast ratios, and a pixel density so sharp that the screen door effect is utterly eradicated. You can sit in a virtual workspace, open multiple giant browser windows, and read microscopic text with the same crystal-clear legibility you get from a physical $4,000 studio monitor. The pass-through capability has also undergone a quantum leap. Powered by hyper-advanced depth sensors and next-generation environmental cameras, the mixed reality blending is so seamless that the boundary between your physical living room and digital overlays vanishes. You can throw a virtual high-definition television onto your actual wall, cook dinner while tracking timers floating above your stove, or battle digital enemies swarming across your actual coffee table with zero latency, zero warping, and zero distortion. But a breathtaking visual canvas is useless if the silicon engine driving it cannot handle the load. Tucked deep inside the lightweight frame is a custom-engineered, next-generation spatial chipset built specifically for heavy mixed reality computations. We are talking about immense graphical horsepower that handles complex physics engines, hyper-realistic lighting, and native ray tracing without breaking a sweat. Stuttering frame rates? Gone. Motion sickness caused by input lag? Permanently engineered out of existence. And let us address the elephant in the room: the strategy shift. Meta isn't just dropping another standard toy into the market. With internal structural shifts, delayed prototypes, and a complete reboot under code names that prioritize elite standalone performance alongside ultralight modular configurations, the bar has been raised infinitely higher. The days of cheap, hollow plastic headsets are drawing to a close. Meta is pushing the entire ecosystem into true premium territory, targeting users who demand uncompromising performance, professional-grade productivity, and deep, immersive gaming experiences that rival high-end PC rigs. The controllers have also been redesigned from the ground up, offering tighter haptic feedback, more intuitive hand-tracking integration, and an ergonomic grip that makes virtual interactions feel entirely natural. Whether you are swinging a sword in a sprawling open-world RPG, sculpting 3D assets in mid-air, or collaborating on architectural designs with colleagues across the globe, every